Hello everyone, my name is Shanai and I'm a professional fitness instructor, and today I want to tell you an easy and quick way in which you can effortlessly lose weight in just 3 days. Before I get in the video, I just want to say I didn't believe this method would work. However, I still end up trying it and the results were just shocking. So just without further delay, let's jump into it. So in order to lose 3 kilos in just 3 days, you must be motivated. Your body does not shift any weight anymore. You are at the end of your final diet and you can quickly complete it with this diet plan. Or even you have been eating junk food for the last 3 weeks, this diet will help you to get rid of any weight that you have put on during that time. You must follow these rules. You cannot have any tea or coffee as it will make your body retain fluid. Make sure you have 2.5 to 3 liters of water per day. You can have green tea. You can also have a mixture of hot water with cinnamon and a lemon when you're hungry. I'm sure that you will get good results, and please do not forget to let me know if it works. Do not attempt this diet if you have hypertension, diabetes, or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Now I will talk to you about 3 days, 3 kilo diet. Don't mix that with your healthy eating. This only to motivate to start your diet. You can go back to normal healthy eating when you completed the 3 days. So for the first day of this diet, you will drink 2 glasses of water first thing in the morning and mix the following all together. 4 to 5 tablespoons of yogurt, not a diet yogurt, 5-6 branches of fresh parsley and dill, 2 tablespoons of oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seed, 1 teaspoon of nigella seed. Next to that, you can have your cinnamon lemon hot drinks. Second day, a glass of hot water, again first thing in the morning. 1 avocado, 3 to 5 tablespoons of cured cheese, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 dessertspoon of chia seed, and 10 branches of parsley. You can make the nice avocado salad and enjoy with your nice cinnamon lemon drink. Third day, 2 glasses of water, 1 boiled egg, 1 small carrot, and finish it off with your green tea. If you get headache and get hungry, we will give you another drink recipe. Here we go. 2 liters of water, 1 chopped green apple, 3 cinnamon sticks, 1 lemon, 4 to 5 cloves, and boil them for 10 minutes altogether and let it cool down and drink it in the day. This drink will burn the fat on your body quickly. And this is how you do the 3-day diet. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure do tell your friends about it and let me know how you get on with your final result. That's all from me now. Bye to you all.